Hi, Steve Ohl. There's a lot of talk about tariffs, and we're getting calls about how that's going to possibly affect any of the heating and cooling equipment that we're installing, because there is steel and aluminum in those products. So right now we're getting notices from our manufacturers that yes, there is anywhere from a 5 to 20% increase in the cost of the materials. So you want to keep that in mind if you've got an idea that you'd like to move forward with, and you're thinking about installing any kind of heating or cooling equipment. Now's a good time to do it. You want to act now on it, because before the end of May, most of these price increases are going to take effect. And that's on furnaces, boilers, water heaters, pretty much anything made with metal, heating and cooling systems especially, a lot of aluminum and steel in those. So give us a call today, 610-377-1098. Thanks.